Court rejects APC National Chairman Ganduje wife's bid to stop trial of bribery case. Imagine, the wife of Ganduje wants to stop trial of a bribery case. Can you imagine? Now, wow, these people, they just misuse power because they are the ones in power. They think that they can do anything. They can control anybody. They can tell the court, oh, don't try my wife for a bribery case. Can you imagine? It is well with us in this country. The national chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, and his wife, Dr. Hafsat Umar, have lost their bid to stop the Kano High Court from hearing the criminal charges brought against them over alleged misappropriation of public funds. Husband and wife, Bribery. That Ganduje is supposed to be cooling off in prison since still there. Justice Amina Adamu Aliyu dismissed the preliminary objection filed by the couple and 7 other defendants on Tuesday, declaring it incompetent and upholding the court's jurisdiction to entertain the charges. The Kano Public Complaints and Anti-Corruption Commission had filed an amended 11-count charge against Ganduje, his wife, son, even his son, Umar Abdullahi Ganduje, and 5 others, alleging bribery, diversion, and misappropriation of public funds running into billions of naira, and you want them to stop the case. It is well. Other defendants in the case include Abubakar Barrow, Umar Abdullahi Umar, Jibrila Mohammed, Lamash Properties Limited, Safari Textiles Limited, and Lasaid General Enterprises Limited. I'm sure he's the owner of all of these things. In our ruling, Justice Aliyu stated the charges filed by the prosecution on May 13, 2024 against the defendants are competent for trial. He further clarified powers to investigate criminal matters do not rest solely in the hands of the police, affirming the authority of the State Anti-Corruption Commission to conduct such investigations. The court also overruled similar jurisdictional objections filed by the other defendants and ruled that the matter would proceed on 30th and 31st of July 2025, whether or not the accused appears. Earlier, Prosecution Counsel Adeola Adedipe San informed the court that all respondents had been served the notice to reply to the preliminary objection and urged the court to dismiss the application for lack of merit. Defense Counsel Barrister Lydia Oluwakemi Oyewo, representing Ganduje, his wife, and son, asked the court to quash all charges against the defendants. They're supposed to sack that lawyer. That defense counsel that is saying they should quash charges against defendants that stole billions of naira. A whole family stealing money that belongs to the state. You are telling them that they should quash it. One of the charges with Kano State Government on Ganduje instruction and approval asked one of the receivers of USSD 120,000 from a beneficiary of a contract awarded by Kano State Government, contrary and punishable under Section 22 of the Kano State Public Complaints and Anti-Corruption Commission Law 2008 as amended Law No. 2 of 2009. Another states that on February 10, 2017, Abdullahi Ganduje dishonestly and or corruptly to your advantage collected a kickback of the sum of $213,000, being money generated from people and entities seeking or holding the execution of Kano State Government contract or project for the remodeling of Antiquary Textile Market as a bribe through one of the contractors. Can you imagine? And the lawyer, the defense counsel, want them to quash the matter. They are supposed to sack that person because she's talking rubbish. All these people, they are just corrupt from head to toe. From head to toe. Living on say somebody's role model. Somebody is using Ganduje as role model. That person has not seen a role model. It has not seen a role model. Daniel Odo says this one flows in the family blood. I'm telling you. Father, son, children. About that, father, mother, children. No be small. Possibly they equally collect bribe from each other. It's possible. Before you do something for the father, you say, Daddy, you have to bribe me. They will bribe. And now they've taken it outside. And somebody is saying that they should quash the case. It is well with us in this country. DK Amanzi says none of them wants to face trial. You can just imagine. After stealing money. But because, they are in power now, Their daddy is in power. Their daddy is Ganduje. So they expect that everything should just go smoothly. No be small. No be small. Fredo Frank says they need a new chairman for 2027 election. Bart cannot leave anything to chance. I must commend him for his political ingenuity. Okay, Ugobe says, imagine the people that are leading this country. It is well. All of them, from head to toe. See Wike's children now. See Wike's children. See the kind of shoes that they are wearing. One pair of shoes like 2 million naira. See the kind of cruise that they are cruising around. Their father doesn't have a job. Which money are they using to cruise? Nigeria's taxpayers' money. But nothing is going to happen to them. It is well. Judge S. Ekpa says this court must not be a Nigeria court. Don't worry, before the next case now, it is in July. Maybe they will tell this one to step down so that another person will take over the case. That one that will do their bidding, because obviously this one doesn't want to do their bidding. They will change her very soon. You people should be watching. Ambrose Eje says fighting corruption in Nigeria is dangerous and very difficult. This case for more than 5 years is still dragging. In fact, he's telling the court to stop the trial because the court lacks the jurisdiction to do so. That's how they do. They'll be dragging a matter, something that you should talk about and resolve immediately, and probably sentence the person or discharge the person. They will start dragging it. We will come on so day. We will come on so day. We will come on so day till the whole year will finish. It is well. Okodogo says those who are supposed to be killed or being in jail are the ones ruling us today. One of the many reasons why this country is poor and backward, very, very backward. It is well. Aribo James says, I love media for reporting the news with Ganduje appendage. Any news that near Ganduje group must be ascribed to him. Mohammed Nugu says the video is still on the internet. Let her go and delete it first before she must travel to 156 countries to get it done and then face the court. Now, wow. So there is video evidence of the bribing, something that happened. It is well. Jeremiah says, greatest bribers in Nigeria stopping another from bribing. This is laughable. It is well. Hey, God. Inia Basi says, so the wife followed the put money for Abada or Abina hijab. Now, so even the pikin, even their pikin self, they steal money. So imagine a family of thieves, ruling the country. It is well. Okay says, take his entire family, including his in-laws, to prison. Pure criminals. I'm telling you, big thieves. Big thieves. One day, Mala says, see the way our armies are crying today like a babies, and the evil so-called leaders don't do anything about it. I'm telling you, they lost some of their colleagues today. Those soldiers are really trying no more. They are really trying and just risking their life for people that do not care about them in this country. God continue to be with them. And listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.